Good morning, Chattanooga. It is Wednesday, July 28th, and this is the update on the Trader Joe's for Chattanooga opening. I thought I would swing over here before the heat wave kicked in the afternoon, and I went shopping actually at the Fresh Market and was driving by, and I saw these letters on the side of the building and the shopping carts out front. So I double backed around to film an update really quick. There is no official opening date yet, as far as I can tell. I did a quick scour of the news, and they are hiring. If you go on Indeed.com, you can see postings for crew members. The shopping carts, as I said earlier, are out front. It looks like they're building shelves and putting up signage. So I see the little hydraulic scaffolding going up and down on the inside. So they've got their busy little tasks they're taking care of. And then they're still going to have to stock this whole place out with stuff. So I don't think it'll be in the next week or two, certainly. But we'll see how long it takes them to get close. That's about all I have to say right now. You'll have, let's see, the parking lot's been restriped. I think they did that a little while back, but they've got the landscaping put in. The trees, I think, are new. I don't recall these trees being here earlier. And these medians as a separation from the main parking lot. So, well, we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you updated.